Georgia's nature is incredibly rich and diverse. In this small country, you can find everything from seacoasts to mountains and forested valleys. The Caucasus Mountains are located in the north and are snow-covered for most of the year. They are famous for their beauty and tourism opportunities. Areas like the Borjomi forests and Lagodeki Reserve are home to unique plant and animal species. The Black Sea coastline, especially around Batumi, attracts many tourists in the summer and has a subtropical climate. The Kakheti region is known for both its beautiful nature and its vineyards. Georgia's nature is considered one of the gems of the South Caucasus due to its beauty and diversity.
ما شاء الله تعرف كيف نكت على سلوكه شوف ما شاء الله شايف